Make cooking effortless with this quality black induction hob from AEG, which has state-of-the-art features and a stylish design. It has 4 cooking zones in 3 sizes, meaning you can use different sized pans for a variety of meals. Intelligent pan detection technology automatically heats up a cooking zone when you place a pan on the hob. It uses special electromagnets inside the hob which heat up when they sense an induction-friendly pan or griddle on top. Only the controls for the cooking zone you're using will become active, meaning you'll know exactly which ones to use. So not only is it really safe to use, but it's fast and effective too. Customize your cooking space with AEG's innovative FlexiBridge Zones. With the touch of a button, you can combine up to 4 zones of the hob to create a larger cooking area. This will fit pans of different shapes and sizes, so you can prepare large batches of food or lots of different dishes at once. Whether it's a light snack or a feast for the family, you'll always have the space you need to create amazing meals. If you're looking for a stylish induction hob with state-of-the-art features to help make cooking effortless, this black model from AEG is an excellent addition to your kitchen.